Page 144, the key of E minor. In this unit, Unit 13, apparently we're going to be doing stuff in the key of E minor. I have already been encouraging you to do the scale and the arpeggio for E minor. E minor is the relative minor to G major. It has one sharp, an F sharp in the key. So G major, you're playing all the white keys except for the F. Is F sharp? Well, in E minor, same thing. You're playing all the white keys except for the F sharp. Here, that's the natural minor. Remember, we have three different kinds of minors. We have the natural minor, which means you're playing the notes exactly as the key signature says to. Just an F sharp. And we have the harmonic minor, which is the one I cover in the videos, the one that's used the most. And that's where you raise the seventh step. So the seventh step is one less than 8, so it's here, D. Instead of a D, you play a D sharp. Here. It's the harmonic minor. And then, of course, there's a melodic minor. I don't push it. I don't practice it or nothing. You'll run across it in music, but I found if I can do the harmonic minor, I can adjust to these others. And with a melodic, remember, you raise the 6th and 7th step going up, but play the natural minor coming down. So it's that. 6th and 7th step would be these two. 6th and 7th, yeah, so it's C. That going up, and the natural minor coming down. That's the melodic minor. I don't have a lot to say on it because I have videos on this. I'd rather you use it or approach it as I do in the videos. And you can go ahead and do the arpeggio too, at least one octave. You want to get the feel for these arpeggios, where the keys are. And that's what the tremolo exercise does. And for the scale, it's what the trill exercise does. It reinforces what it feels like on where the keys are. Let me know if you have any questions.